I'm so bored right now, I should go have a bath to clean the shit off of me. Time to turn it on. This gives me an idea. Since Daddy and Mommy are out, I will flood the house and swim around. This is really funny. Now I can swim around and have fun. Oh no, there is too much water.
Caillou, why is there water flooding the house?
Because I flooded the house with a bathtub.
You fucking idiot, I am going to drown.
Oh fuck, I forgot how to swim because I am stupid. Shit.
Would you like to explain?
I'm not even gonna lie, it was me. I thought it would be fun to flood the house with a bathtub.
Caillou, how dare you flood?
Hold on, why am I grounding you? There was no obvious damage to the house and nobody got hurt at all. How about we go down and eat some lunch?
Yay, okay.
You are grounded for 62,435,789,067 years. Go to your room right now. How dare you let Rosie die in the flood? You are the worst kid ever. Rosie was the best kid ever.
What?